Hi, this is Merlin. Today I'm gonna talk about what I learned today. Just now I'm making my own library, my framework, and it is kind of mono repo, and I had to put my custom Rollup plugin. Rollup is the bundler for the library. So, example, TOS in the TOS campaign, there's a slash library. They're using their own configs, their own Rollup configs, like this. Yep, like this. But when I look at this code, it's kind of great, but there's no type of it. There's It is not type safe, and yeah, it is not type safe. But this package is using this globally. If there's something wrong with this, there will be hard to find. So I was like, why? Why there's no TypeScript? So I implement TypeScript based on that. And also, there's so much tsconfig, esmjson, tsconfig build.json, tsconfig.json. And if you look at the package.json, look at the build of it, and I really don't think I really don't know what is the purpose of this. It's so long. So the thing is that what they're doing right here is they just uh rather than they're just transpile TS into JavaScript, and they're like bundles this output JavaScript into ESM or CJS, and yeah, this is the code of it. But my question is, I think there's already the TS plugin in the rollup, and I think there's no necessary of putting this so much script on it, because you have to copy paste all of it, and this is not necessary. This is kind of, how do I say it, could make mistake. So what I did was I I've configured, and also the weird thing is that they just put it like they just they just make the ESM. So the purpose of the configuring TS config and TS config like ESM JSON, they just wanna create create the separate output directory ESM and this ESM and CJS. And the thing is that who cares about output directory? Who reads about output directory? No one trying to read output directory, because output directory is not readable. It's just the package. It's just the library thing. Library output. Who reads the bundled library output? So rather than this, I just focus on the I just focus on the just putting all the CJS MJS on the order dist file. And that's really simple, because I really don't have to care about tsconfig.build.json, disconfig.esm.json. Why would I make this kind of file? I just need only tsconfig.json. So I put it this like this, and it was really and the result was really fascinating. So I put the exports of it, because this plugin is needs to be used in the CJS and ESM. So rather than exporting the SRC file, I had to export the dist file. And if you look at the CJS, yeah, it is common. Uh, Forget about the lane. It just stick, and yeah, this is it. So this is really simple of it. And look at the MJS. So MJ is so if, as you can see, there's like CJS, MJS, and DTS. It's just a type of it. So using it is really simple, and I really have to use this as a real library, and and I and next is just test it. So I tried to test it. The thing is that, moreover, I just put the testconfig.json directory also, because to run this config, there should be tsconfig.json because TypeScript, and I really just why don't rather than putting here manually, I just put it in the package.json, and I just sorry, and I also put the rule of this on my ESLint config package.json. So Lola will read this file and extract the metadata of it, and it just gonna bundles it. But the sad thing is that it was not working. Right? Maybe it's not. Maybe it could be work. So let's try it last time. cd config cd lolop cd src cd example. No, sorry. cd example yarn build. Let's see how it goes. I think this is gonna throw error. Yeah. So I think there's but so here's the thing. I bundled it into CJS and ESM, and I tried to using it. I was trying to use it, but it didn't work. I really don't know why it doesn't work. I don't know why it doesn't work. Yeah, I still don't know. I still didn't figure out how it does. Why it's not working. Main SRC. Oh, this is pretty hard. So there's no specific motor of it. Alright, hold on. I think I have to make this Lolo plug config that's JSON into CJS maybe. It could be work, but I'm not sure of it. Yep, it doesn't work. I think this Lolo. So I think this. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. npm module is in Lolo. This CJS not support. Instead of changing it to require of the index.js in index.js to. So it's saying that to use the require syntax of it, it's saying that just use dynamic import. But the thing is, I think there's not a right choice, because if you're making library, you could use CommonJS, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna ask question. Lolo plugin Lolo config CJS configure this file. Let's see how it goes. Format output format named. Wait, hold on. CJS ESM. Output directory. Wait, hold on. I'm just gonna turn to. I forgot to. History. Little plugin. CJS domain. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. Lolo config.json, right? CJS. TS cleanup extension.emb. Include button ship into npm because we increase the motor size. Okay, I don't get it. I don't get it why it's not working. Format. Export defaults. I think there could be two reasons. First, I think the problem of the thing is that I think of here. I think I configured the. I think I mistakenly configured the thing here. Input CJS into endpoint package.json. It reads package.json. You put package.json export. Picketing exports, it read require JSON, it read require and get the entry point, and if the output dot entry point. So output the entry point, and this does index the CJS. This is right. What else? Maybe CommonJS is not interpreting TypeScript. Yeah, that could be. Yeah. CommonJS cannot understand TypeScript. I don't know. So tomorrow we're gonna be handle this. So bundling ESM CJ is successful, but using this bundled as a package is not successful. So next time, tomorrow I'm just gonna implement this test of it, check how it really works, and after that I'm just gonna implement this stupid code. This code is really dirty, so I think I'm just gonna handle it. So this is it. See you next time. Bye bye.